Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to talk about, is clinical research right for you? Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to be talking about, is clinical research the right field for you? Now, I know a lot of you guys who are listening to this channel may be older people looking to transition into fields, into a new field. Maybe you're a college student wondering, what kind of thing do I want to do? Maybe I like research, maybe I don't like research, maybe I'm in business but want to do something more science related. Doesn't matter. We're going to talk about what you need to think about to determine if clinical research is right career path for you. So guys, the first thing you need to think about is, what are your life goals? What do you want in life? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself, because you can have anything you want, anything you put your mind to in clinical research. For example, if you want to do sales, you can do that in clinical research. If you want to actually be the one conducting the research, get your hands on, you can be a study coordinator or a PI or a sub-I. You can get your hands dirty right in the research. Do you want to, be on the project management side of things? You can do that too. So there's something for everybody in clinical research, and there's a whole host of other positions and things that you may not know about until you actually delve into it and research it and get into the field in that manner. So you need to think about, what are your goals? What do you want? Answering this question will definitely help narrow down your search to understand, is clinical research the right field for you? There's a little bit of everything. That's what I like about it. So overall, I think clinical research is a good place for someone who may or may not know what they want to do. If you know for sure you want to do clinical research, then obviously come and do clinical research. But if you don't know, I think it's a good place for you to be anyway, because there's so many different opportunities available. Marketing, business, sales, actual doing the research. You can be in there in the science. You can be a little bit removed from the science, as in project management or something like that, or data management. You can get more into the data. You can do IT. There's all different types of things that go into a clinical research company, and doing clinical research as a whole, that there are so many opportunities. Good place for you to get your foot in the door somewhere. And once you get in, it's easy for you to jump around and move to do other things in the company or in the organization, in the field in general. So I think that's something to keep in mind. The next thing I want you guys to think about is, how important is making a difference? Now, this is very cliche. A lot of people say they want to make a difference, they want to help people. Well, in clinical research, you are actually making a difference. Now, it may not be this year, next year, or 5 years from now, but at some point, somebody down the line is going to have the drug that you helped create, or not create. I mean, you would help advance science and learn what not to do if a drug doesn't get approved. So don't think just because your drug doesn't get approved that you didn't help and advance the frontier of science in the positive direction, because you certainly did. But you need to be sure that you want to make a difference, because sometimes it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day of clinical research and not really take a step back and understand that you're doing this for people, so people can spend more time with their kids, their loved ones, their grandparents. It's all about people at the end of the day. And that's why we do what we do as clinical researchers. And it's a really great and rewarding feeling to know that a drug that you helped bring to market extended the life of somebody for 10, 15 years down the line, allowed them to see their kids go to college, graduate from high school, get a job, allow grandparents to stay alive a little bit longer to watch their grandkids, graduate and, live their life a little bit longer, and also give patients the ability to, live their life to the fullest with the time that they have left. So it's very important to think about that. That's why we do what we do as clinical researchers, and that needs to be important to you too if this is something you want to do. And the passionate people are the ones that really succeed in the clinical research field. You got to have passion for what you do, and I know I certainly do. And it's a very rewarding field, and I think you'll feel that too if you're in clinical research. If you're in clinical research, comment down below, or somebody in clinical research, comment, and you can talk about some of those success stories you've had. All right, guys, that's it for today. Just those two things. Just to summarize, we talked about what do you want out of your life and your life goals to determine if clinical research is for you, and do you really want to make a difference? That's what keeps us clinical researchers going, knowing that we affected someone's life tremendously by keeping them alive a little bit longer than they would have had otherwise with some of the treatments that we bring to the market. So if you like this video, please like it. Comment down below. Comment down below some of the success stories you might have had in clinical research. Also comment if you may or may not know if you want to go into clinical research. You will comment down below, tell you some more good things about it. You can email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, fellas and ladies and gents. All right, y'all. Peace.